Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing your records. Log into the admin and immediately export orders, customers, products, and theme files so you can restore or analyze later. Once done, check billing. List apps, subscriptions, and any outstanding payouts so charges don't surprise you after closure. Make sure to inform staff or partners now, because pausing communication will complicate transitions. This saves revenue data and ownership details and prevents accidental data loss when you change plan or remove access. Now you stop active sales and recurring costs, unpublish sales channels, and if you want a temporary block, set a storefront password so customers can't buy. Next, uninstall apps and cancel their subscriptions. Apps often bill outside Shopify, so confirm cancellations on vendor sites. Transfer any custom domains you'll keep or update DNS to a parked page. Otherwise, cancel domain renewal to avoid fees. Make sure payouts are settled before removing payment gateways, because funds can be held if accounts change. Finally, go to Settings, Plan, and choose Close Store. Follow the prompts and confirm you are the account owner. Once closed, review the last invoices and reconcile refunds or chargebacks so taxes and bookkeeping remain accurate. If you prefer, use Pause Plan to keep store editable without full operation. If something goes wrong, reopen the store briefly to restore settings, contact Shopify support, and check each app's billing portal. Doing that resolves most billing or domain transfer snags quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.